The three-row SUV market is more crowded than ever, but one nameplate continues to stand tall: the Volkswagen Atlas. For 2026, VW is sticking to the winning formula that made this a family favorite. While rumors of an electric ID, Atlas are swirling for the future, the 2026 model remains a powerhouse of internal combustion. Today, we're looking at what's new, what stayed the same, and if this is still the best SUV for your driveway. Under the hood, simplicity is key. Gone are the days of the VR6. The 2026 Atlas is powered exclusively by a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. It pumps out 269 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, it feels punchy enough for highway merging, even with a full load. And if you need to pull the boat or a camper, you're looking at a solid 5,000-pound towing capacity. You can choose between front-wheel drive or VW's reliable 4-motion all-wheel drive system for those snowy school runs. The real magic of the Atlas has always been the space. With 96.6 cubic feet of total cargo room, it's a beast. But it's the third row that wins. It actually fits adults comfortably. For 2026, the tech gets a subtle boost. The 12-inch floating infotainment display is standard, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new addition for the SE with technology trim and above is the factory-installed HomeLink mirror, allowing you to control garage doors and smart home devices directly from the rear view. Plus, the IQ.Drive suite remains standard, giving you semi-automated driving assistance right out of the box.
At Volkswagen Smart Part, Volkswagen offers 5 distinct trims for 2026. The base SE starts around $39,310.
So, is the 2026 VW Atlas worth it? If you need massive interior space, European driving dynamics, and a refined cabin without the complexity of an EV just yet, the answer is a resounding yes. It's reliable, it's huge, and it's built for the modern family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more auto reviews. We'll see you in the next one.
Disclaimer. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. The information regarding the car collection is based on public records, Vox.